Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today, we will discuss something interesting which you guys are eager to watch, and that is AssignmentMavens reviews. AssignmentMavens provides professional academic writing services to students who want to achieve an A grade. This professional academic writing company can provide you your assignment in as little as 3 hours. Every paper provided by AssignmentMavens is of high quality while prioritizing your guidelines. AssignmentMavens reviews provide a testimony to the high-quality services provided by the company. AssignmentMavens provides the following services to its clients: 100% plagiarism-free content. It has a panel of expert writers that provide original content. Premium quality assignments. The papers follow the highest academic standards and are based on the client's guidelines. Fastest turnaround time. The clients can receive their assignments in as little as 3 hours. PhD qualified pros online 24/7. The team of experts comprises PhDs and the company's customer services team is available to assist the clients 24/7. Unlimited free revisions. The company's priority is customer satisfaction. It provides the option of unlimited free revisions till the clients are satisfied with their papers. Free features. The company provides its client various features free of cost. AssignmentMavens reviews and testimonials demonstrate the high-quality services provided by the company. The satisfied clients recommend the facilities of AssignmentMavens to others. At AssignmentMavens, the ordering process will take you as little as 2 minutes. There are only 4 steps involved, from creating an account to downloading the final file. AssignmentMavens has countless satisfied clients. The AssignmentMavens reviews on SiteJabber and Trustpilot prove its customers' satisfaction. There are several benefits of using AssignmentMavens services. AssignmentMavens offers various discounts to its customers. Also, the customers can calculate the prices before placing any orders through the online calculator. Well, thanks for watching this video. Do make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like the reviews of AssignmentMavens, do make sure to visit the website and avail the ongoing discount.